Ever feel like you're stuck in crypto purgatory? You've just sold off some holdings, ready to make that real-world purchase, but your funds are chilling in your Coinbase account. You need that money, but it feels like it's taking forever to transfer. Fear not, crypto comrades. Today, we're diving deep into the murky waters of transfer times on Coinbase, specifically focusing on wire transfers. We'll break down how long it usually takes, explore the factors that can influence that time frame, and offer some tips to potentially speed things up. Why wire transfers? Before we delve into the nitty-gritty of wait times, let's address the elephant in the room. Why wire transfers in the first place? Well, for some folks, it's a matter of moving larger sums of money. Banks often have limits on daily ACH transfers, the standard method for moving funds between your bank and Coinbase. Wire transfers, on the other hand, can handle significantly bigger transactions. Additionally, some folks might prefer the perceived security of a wire transfer, although both ACH and wire transfers come with their own set of security protocols. The big question: how long does it take? All right, down to brass tacks. Coinbase itself states that wire transfers typically take 1 to 3 business days to complete. That means weekends and holidays are off the table. So, if you initiate a wire transfer on a Friday afternoon, you're probably not seeing that cash until Tuesday or Wednesday of the following week. Bummer, right? Here's the thing, that 1 to 3 business day window is just an estimate. The actual transfer time can be influenced by a few factors. Your bank: every bank operates differently. Some might process wire transfers faster than others. It's always a good idea to check with your bank directly to see their typical time frame for incoming wire transfers. Time of day: generally, transactions initiated earlier in the day are more likely to be processed faster. This is because banks typically have cutoff times for processing outbound wires. International transfers: if you're sending or receiving an international wire transfer, brace yourself for a potentially longer wait time. International transfers can involve additional verification steps and intermediary banks, which can add extra days to the process. Keeping the wait short. While we can't magically make that wire transfer appear instantly, there are a few things you can do to potentially minimize the wait time. Double-check your information. Ensure all your wire transfer details, including account numbers, routing numbers, and beneficiary information, are absolutely perfect. Any errors can lead to delays or even failed transfers. Initiate early. As mentioned before, earlier is usually better. Try to initiate your wire transfer during the first half of the business day to maximize the chance of it being processed on the same day. Consider alternatives. For smaller amounts, ACH transfers might be a better option. While they can take 3 to 5 business days, they're generally a quicker option than wire transfers for smaller sums. So, there you have it. While wire transfers offer a way to move larger sums of money on Coinbase, they aren't exactly the speediest option. Be prepared to wait 1 to 3 business days, and potentially longer depending on various factors. By double-checking your information, initiating early, and considering alternatives for smaller transfers, you can hopefully minimize the wait time and get your hands on that sweet cash a little bit faster. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.